Ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang logging or pagpuputol ng mga puno. Ang logging ay napakahalaga sa ating industriya dahil dito natin nakukuha yung mga building materials para gumawa ng mga furniture, yan, papel, and iba pang mga importanteng mga produkto. Pero, isa ito sa mga pinaka mapanganib na trabaho. Kasi yung mga trabahador ay maraming mga risk na makakaharap. Kaya naman, para masigurado ang safety ng mga trabahador, ay nagawa ang Rule Number 1420 ng Philippine Occupational Safety and Health Standards para magkaroon ng mga specific regulations and guidelines. Ito ay para maprotektahan ang mga trabahador kung magkakaroon ng logging operations. Sa Rule Number 1420, dito itinatalaga na kailangan magkaroon ng mga safety committee sa mga logging operations para mapanatili yung kaayusan at yung mapahalagahan ng kapakanan ng mga trabahador. Dagdag pa sa Rule Number 1420, ang medical and dental services ay kailangan laging handa, laging nandyan pag magkakaroon ng mga logging operations at kailangan meron ring mga first aid responders para kung sakaling magkaroon ng aberya o insidente ay mabilis na makakapag-responde itong mga first aid natin. Karagdagan pa sa Rule 1420 na ang mga employers ay responsible para nagbigay ng mga sapat na communication systems at mga transportasyon para kaagaran na marespondihan kung magkaroon man ng mga injured workers. Para mabilis na rin na mahatid ito sa mga medical facilities para kaagad na ito'y masolbahan at magamot. Sa Rule 1420, dito ay binibigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng pagpapanatili ng mga kagamitan, mga equipment sa mga logging operations. Kailangan na ang mga equipment ay laging nasa good conditions. Kasi, halimbawa na yung chainsaw ay may sira, maaaring makadisgrasya pa, diba? So, sa Rule Number 1420 dito, ay talagang kailangan lahat ng mga gamit para sa mga logging operations ay nasa good condition. Kailangan na ang mga tools, mga kagamitan na ginagamit sa mga logging operations ay ginagamit lang para doon talaga, para sa purpose na yun, at ginagamit lang dapat ito ng mga trained personnel. Ibig sabihin, hindi basta-basta gumagamit yung kung sino-sino man. Kailangan ay may sapat na kaalaman ka talaga para magamit mo yung mga tools at mga kagamitan para sa mga logging operations.
The rule also prohibits the use of tools with excessive wear and tear, such as impact tools with mushrooming exceeding 0.6 cm. Only high-quality spikes and needles are permitted for splicing operations. Rule 1420 forbids logging activities during periods of adverse weather conditions, including high winds, heavy fogs, and limited visibility. Additionally, work must cease after dark unless adequate lighting is provided.
In steep logging areas, strict safety measures are crucial. Fellers must work in separate locations to avoid being struck by falling trees or debris from other groups. Additionally, working alone is prohibited, ensuring immediate assistance in case of any incident. Rule 1420 also addresses the safe operation of logging machinery, requiring proper training and authorization for personnel handling equipment such as skidders, feller bunchers, and log loaders. The rule also emphasizes the importance of regular inspections and maintenance of all machinery and equipment to prevent accidents and ensure optimal
By
performance.
adhering to Rule 1420 and its comprehensive safety measures, we can significantly reduce the risks inherent in logging and safeguard the well-being of those who contribute to this vital industry. Thank you for your attention. Let's all work together to ensure a safer work environment for loggers.
Logging is an essential industry, providing the wood we use for construction, paper, and other products. However, it is also one of the most dangerous occupations in the world. Loggers can face a variety of risks, including first, falling trees and limbs. This is the leading cause of death in the logging industry. Loggers can be struck by falling trees or limbs while they are felling, limbing, or backing trees. Next, heavy machinery. Logging operations involve the use of machinery such as skidders, feller bunchers, and log loaders. These machines can cause serious injuries if they are not operated safely. Next, slips, trips, and falls. Loggers often work on uneven terrain and wet condition, which can increase the risk of slips, trips, and fall. And next is exposure to hazard materials. Loggers may be exposed to a variety of hazardous materials such as dust, chemicals, and noise.